Hey loves, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be making, this is gonna be a cooking video, forgot to mention. I'm gonna be making some dish that my mother sent me on Instagram. She was like, I want some steak with this and that. So I'm gonna make sirloin steak with corn, pica de gallo, mix all that, rice with cilantro and peppers. I forgot the salad. That's what I forgot, but it's alright. This will do. I just did a little food shopping for now. And then I got this bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. You already know what this is for. My coffee. Just stop. So you like maple syrup in my coffee, and I also got vanilla syrup because I ran out. So yeah. But well, I also got tomatoes too, but that's for the pica de gallo. And let me tell you something. I just got pissed off because this ninja just pissed me off because I'm trying not to curse, but he pissed me off because you can add on Uber Eats, add to your items, add an item to what you have. So I added ice. He gonna sit there and ignore my shit. He gonna ignore my shit. So I'm like, did you get the ice? I said it nice. Did you get the ice? And then he left me on red. And then I wrote back again with a question mark. He left me on red again. He came with some guy. So it was both of them. When you're doing Uber Eats, delivering, DoorDash, whatever, you're supposed to be by yourself. It looks more professional when you're by yourself. So he came with some other guy. And then the guy that was driving was like, oh, excuse me, make sure you give us a 5-star. How about you get 5 dicks? I'm not rating you. You lucky I didn't give you a thumbs down. I was going to give a thumbs down, but the boy looked kind of young, the one that was delivering. And the one that's his profile. He looked kind of young. He looked like maybe 19, 20. So I was like, I'm not even going to do that. I'm not going to be mean. But next time, watch. Don't piss me off, especially when it comes to ice. Do not play with me. But I'm about to chop this up, the steak. Mind you, it look bigger in the picture. But I'm going to chop that up, clean it, all that good stuff. And then we're going to get started with the stuff. But right now, I'm going to just do chopping. I'll be back. I was doing the dishes, but I have school today. Even though it's still early, but I have a Zoom call at 2 o'clock. It's 12:55. So I want to get the cooking out of the way now. That way, I can attend my... I wish I had gloves, because sometimes I don't like touching the meat. But whatever. So I'm going to open this, if I can find the little opening. I used to get the other steak, but I'm going to try this one. I used to get that skinny steak. I don't know the name of it. So I got these onions instead of the other ones, because the faster, the better. And then we're gonna put that fat on. Because what is you doing? So I'm gonna just put it in these. So I'm gonna just cut them in cube size. I'm gonna dice them. It's not gonna be too big or too small. And the fat. So maybe like this. Hold on, baby. I need a quicker way to turn this face tracking off. No, I don't want that. Thank you. Just so y'all can see what I'm doing. I hate when it look like too much fat. Oh, I need scissors. This is the most thinnest piece. What she's doing? I literally have an hour to chop all of this. She wanted to make an appearance. She was crying. Alright, so... Did I mention I got jalapenos too? So you're gonna chop this off. That's not apple, baby. She think it's apple because it's red. That's not apple, that's pepper. Red pepper. Red pepper. She was gonna play with something. Red pepper. Yeah. Pepper. Pepper. That's pepper. Ooh, it's hot. I took out her yams too so I could make them. And then this is tomato. Tomato. That's gonna go with cilantro, some onions, lime juice, salt, pepper, and the jalapenos. I think I said that already. But yeah. That's not apple. No. I'm gonna have to let her play with a tomato. And give me this, because I need it. Thank you. Look at her. Look at how she gets it. Look, you got a tomato already. Oh my goodness. Stop that. I'm gonna go settle down real quick and get her to take a nap because she's tired. That's why she's acting like that. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. This is why I don't cook on school days, because I start getting hot. And then when I flat iron my hair, it gets poofy. So what's the point, you know? What'll be the point? So I'm gonna fry this and some of the onions by itself first, and then I'm gonna do something separate and then add them together. Clean that up. I know this kind of takes longer this way, but that's how I chop it. Pepper smells so good. I think in the video she only had a red pepper, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I should do the whole thing. Alright, what's next? So this I'm gonna separate because it's spicy. So my mother likes spicy, but I don't think she'll want it with this. so pissed. I want some more ice. I can make ice, but I don't feel like waiting. It's annoying. I should have put the rice to cook first. Now I gotta cut the tomatoes because this is gonna go in there too. I'm gonna try to cut it as small as I can because it's slippery. What time is it? I need to get on soon. I think this is too much tomatoes, but hey, boom. So I'm gonna take some onion. The hell was that? Cilantro. Yes, I rinsed it. Mind your business. This one be annoying to cut because it started getting stuck on your hands. This video, honestly, I don't know when it's going up because I still have to post 3 more videos and I've been backed up on editing because I've been focused on school, so, and test taking and all that. So see, I hate when it gets stuck because now you're wasting cilantro, little girl. Oh, I'm hot. All right, let's see what's next. Onion, jalapenos. All right, lime juice, salt, and pepper. So pepper y después lime juice. Where's that? Don't piss me off. I have the lime squeezer thing too. Wherever that's at. Right here. I miss my old house. The counter was so big. Squeeze half a lime juice inside. Woo, that was a workout. Are you kidding me? That was a workout. Are you kidding me? So, boom. I think that's all that she put in here. Do you let this cool down? Do you let it, not that it's warm, but do you let it sit in the fridge? Look at me real quick. Do you let it sit in the fridge to get cool or you just leave it? Let me know down below for next time because right now I can't get to you. I'm not going to read your answers right now because I can't because I didn't post yet. So just let me know. Right now, I might put it in the fridge just so I'll be feeling like when you leave stuff out, it goes bad. So this is how it looks right now. And I'm going to put saran wrap on it and put it in the fridge. Doesn't matter if it's sloppy. It doesn't. It's still getting covered. So hopefully that doesn't ruin it. I need more ice, bro. I can't deal. So in this little pot right here, I gotta wash it. I'm gonna cook this a little bit, the corn. Is it called stir fry? I'm gonna saute it. There we go. I was supposed to put some corn in there too, matter of fact, I think. But whatever. All right, so we're gonna put this in here. It looks a little dark because earlier I burnt my bread when I was making breakfast. So good thing I only got a little can because I'm not gonna need the big one. I am gonna use a little bit of butter though. This is a full tutorial cooking vlog. Hey, are you stupid? Now, if your mom started burning, I don't hear it. Over here eating something off the floor. I think he ate a pepper off the floor. I let that cook and then leave it, put it to the side when I'm done. I have to see what's next. Just because I never made this before. And my iPad. My camera is dying and I have to charge it. See, it's doing whatever I want to do. I'll be back. I think I'm going to start rinsing off the meat and seasoning it. I'm just going to use Creole, salt, pepper, probably garlic, and onion powder. I don't know, because really this does it all, to be honest. I also have, even though it's steak, I have chicken seasoning, but I might not even use that. I could have sworn I bought a steak seasoning, but I guess I didn't. So I'll probably use some of this too. I just be wilding when it comes to the food. When it comes to the meat, I do whatever. This is Cajun, this is barbecue. I don't need that. We'll see, but I'm just letting y'all know what I might put in it. But I'll be back. I'm hot, as you can see. I know you can see it. But I finished the rice. The rice is done already in this pot. Boom. I added a little extra. Hello? Over here? I added a little extra cilantro. I finished the peppers. I finished the corn. It's just sitting in a bowl. And then now I seasoned the meat. And I put soy sauce and the seasonings I told y'all. So I'm just letting it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it marinate. And then I'm going to start cooking it. What else? I should add a potato to it. I kind of want to add potato to the meat. Maybe next time. But I just got off my Zoom call for school, and then that's pretty much it. It's 2:03, so at 2:30 I'm gonna put the meat to cook. Then after I'm done with that, the food is done. I'm mad I didn't get the salad, but whatever. What else? Then I'm gonna shower and get ready for school because I have school today at 5:45 per usual. Today is one of my late days as well. Tuesdays and Wednesdays is my late days. I get out at 9 today, so hopefully she lets us leave early. Sometimes when we finish the chapters early and we do partnering up and stuff like that, she'll let us leave if we're done early, but probably not today. But it is so hot. I still didn't charge my camera because I forgot. Drinking water because I need. If he would have just paid attention and got me my bag of ice, I asked him to, we would have been set. But I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back and I'm sweating. Still, the meat is done. I did put some potatoes to boil. I'm gonna do mashed potato on the side. Not mashed potato, what the hell? Potato salad on the side. Just because I even wanted to add avocado, but I don't have. But I'm gonna just leave it like that. And for the most part, I'm done. I'm just waiting for the potato salad. I am so tired and hot. You don't understand. And then this little girl, I can't. What you want to tell them? What happened? This is what we have. We're gonna try the food as quick as we can because this girl right here, what am I missing? No, this one says don't go. I'm about to go shower now. The baby just fell asleep. Yeah, it takes an hour to go to sleep. It is currently 4 o'clock p.m. and I start at 5:45. So I'm gonna just take a shower now, get ready. It is drizzling. It was raining and stopped. And I'm happy because we needed that. It's too hot. And yeah, I'm gonna just go take a shower right now real quick. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.